Hello, my name is Devon Doane, and I'm an axe thrower. I got started throwing axes about 2 years ago, almost exactly 2 years ago, October of 2018. But axe throwing's just been a great thing for me since it's come into my life. It's something I'm good at, I feel confident, and I love showing other people how to do it. The shot that I do that everyone really likes is I'll do the kick. I'll kick the axe in. People tend to like that one. So axe throwing's just been a really big passion of mine since I started. I never in a million years would have thought I would ever pay my bills throwing sharp stuff, but take that, high school guidance counselor. The reason I like to teach is because it's impossible really to be mad after throwing axes. If you look at me right now, I'm a little sweaty, it's hot in here, but also it blows off some steam. There's nothing like throwing a sharp object and striking the wood and feeling that thunk. You know, you hit that thunk and it's just a good sound and a good feeling. And to be able to teach other people how to do that, it's really awesome for me to watch people get eyes light up when they get it. You know, and it's not as hard as everyone thinks it is, and it's not as dangerous as everyone thinks it is. One of the main first rules of axe throwing is the axe has the right of way. All right, if the axe isn't going to move out of the way for you, so you move out of the way for the axe, and it comes back at you. But also, that's telling you something about your throwing. It's easy to pick up, but there's a science to it almost. There's a lot of technicalities to it. And it's really easy to teach someone once they get it and they see those little indicators that the axe tells you. It's really cool to watch people adjust. All right, so different kinds of axes. There's thousands of them. You got distinct kinds of classes of axe, but really, as far as throwing in general, if it's got a blade on it, you can throw it and you can make it stick into something as long as you know what you're doing. The smaller the axe is, the faster it's going to rotate through the air. So if I'm throwing from 15 feet, this thing's probably going to throw 3 times, or rotate 3 times, give or take, versus if I throw a longer one, that only rotates 1.5, and that comes into factor when you're throwing. Now the difference between a tomahawk and an axe, it may not seem like much, but tomahawks are weapons, whereas an axe is a tool. Now they have similar functionality, but a tomahawk has distinct designs on it that make it suitable for other things that an axe isn't. Oh, we're close. So, all right, try.
Too late.
Yeah, try again. Close. All right, grab it again. Oh. Hey! Nice shot.
Here it is, guys. I sank one in after like a million tries. We got one. I got one. I got it in. This one right here. Really, I did that.
Good shot, Sandi.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh my God, I'm so excited.
Feels good, doesn't it?
It does. And I think that'll be my last shot so I can go out a winner. Woo!
You good?
Look at that. Not quite in the bullseye, but I think that's respectable in the yellow.
That's 3 points.
3 points. See, I got 3 points.
Yeah, 5, 3, and 1.
Yeah.
And it's 7 up there.
And I'm gonna give myself an extra 2 because I'm scared. Anyways, guys, this is what I'm trying. You need to go out and try something, whatever it is. You might love it, you might hate it, you might sink the axe, it might bounce back. Whatever it is, just go try something you've never done before. And even though it's pandemic, you know what? Don't let it slow you down. Go try something new, wear your mask, be safe, and I'll see you next time. Mwah. Bye, guys.